these all are the nucleus of hypothalamus which are regulating our own body. Limbic system is like, you can say, heart of the brain. When we say हमारा मन अच्छा नहीं है, so whatever, when we say मन, it is about the limbic cortex. It is the rim of cortical tissue. It is old in evolution. It is old in evolution. Evolution wise, it is old. It is concerned with the smell called as rhinencephalon. It has various parts. Number one, cingulate gyrus. Cingulate gyrus actually influences autonomic nervous system, the blood pressure, the heart rate. So when your mood is good, your BP is normal. If your mood is bad, your BP can be high, your heart rate can be high, and this is involved in cognition, attention and emotion. So when your mood is good, you understand better, cognition is better, attention is better, emotions are better. So this is called as cingulate gyrus. Then we have parahippocampal gyrus. So sometimes when you are happy, you never forget about the dimension, three-dimensional memory. For example, if you have been to some restaurant and your mood is good, when you come outside, you remember there was curtains were green or black, what were the dishes and all. So that is called as spatial memory. So your memory becomes three-dimensional only when your mood is good, and it is called as parahippocampal gyrus. Hippocampus, short-term memory converts to long-term memory in hippocampus with the help of glutamate. And which receptor is involved, doctor? NMDA. So NMDA receptor is involved in converting short-term memory into long-term memory. Then amygdala. Who is the window of limbic cortex? Window of limbic cortex is amygdala. Amygdala is window of limbic cortex, and the bilateral destruction of temporal lobe will destroy amygdala. It is called as Kluver-Bucy syndrome. And what are the features? Features will be increased libido, tendency to put anything to the mouth, hyperorality, placidity and loss of fever. And also, if there is destruction of amygdala or there is a dysfunction of amygdala, we can have anxiety, fear, emotion and aggression. Now comes hypothalamus, which we have discussed in detail. Mammary body is involved in number one, memory, number two, lip movement. Now nucleus accumbens, it is involved in the reward center and it is for addiction. So when we are addicted to certain drug, okay, so which nucleus is involved? Nucleus accumbens. And you know which neurotransmitter is involved? Dopamine. So we are craving for dopamine. It is because of nucleus accumbens. Papez circuit is involving. It is involved for, see, emotion plus learning is equal to memory. When you put emotion in the learning, you will not forget. It becomes memory. It is called as Papez circuit, and this circuit can be remembered by mnemonic HMT CBE. H stands for hippocampus, M is mammary body, T is thalamic nucleus. But which thalamic nucleus? Anterior thalamic nucleus. Okay. Now CBE, CPE. Okay. C is cingulate gyrus, P is parahippocampal gyrus, E is entorhinal cortex. So HMT you can remember very easily, HMT CPE. HMT